Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Rosa, and on this channel we make plant-based food for you and your family to enjoy. So today we're going to make another sweet potato recipe, yes, because we had a poll out and 100% of you guys really love sweet potatoes, because you know I love me some sweet potatoes. So since you love sweet potatoes so much, we're going to start doing more often sweet potato recipes just for you. And today I decided to make a sweet potato brownie recipe, okay? It's super easy to make, guys. Like you can blend it up in like 5 minutes and bake it, and it's ready to eat. So let me show you how I put that one together, okay? Check it out. All right, for this recipe, I cut up 2 medium-sized sweet potatoes, put a little bit of coconut oil on them, and baked them in the oven until they got tender. So after they were fork tender, I peeled the outside off, and you should get about 1.5 cups of sweet potatoes. So that's what you're going to need for this recipe. We're also adding 3/4 cup of unsweetened creamy almond butter. Add 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder or cacao powder. You'll need 1/4 cup of real maple syrup plus 2 tablespoons of real maple syrup, plus a pinch of salt. So now that the batter is blended to smooth, and it's going to be a nice thick rich batter because that's what you want, we're going to just scrape it off the beater. And you can transfer this into a bowl and mix the chocolate chips that we're going to add into it, but I'm just going to mix them right inside the beater, right inside the blender real fast, and then pour it inside our lined baking sheet. Also, guys, at this point, or maybe a few minutes before, put your oven on 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 176 degrees Celsius, okay? So let me get all this mixed up. So it's going to transfer the batter into the pan. So I lined a square pan, you know, brownie pan, but you can use any shape pan. So let's evenly spread it out. And make sure you push it into each corner so that it's nice and it bakes up nice and even. And the parchment paper is going to help you take them out of the pan easier, and it's actually for easier cleanup. So I'm just going to add a few chocolate chips on top just so it can look kind of pretty when you bake after it's baked up. And this is just optional, you don't have to. I just like to add them. So now we're just going to pop it in the oven and let it bake for 25 to 30 minutes until it gets, you know, nice and solid. Okay, guys? So I'll be right back. Okay, so our brownie is all done and it's cooled off. It's still a little bit warm, but this is why I use the parchment paper. It makes it easier to take it out of the pan. All right, so we're going to cut it. Let's see. I'm just going to cut a little, I think I'll just cut a little piece out of it. It's not really little, but it's okay. So this brownie is nice and fudgy. And you can find it on my website as well. Look at that. It's really fudgy. Yeah, let's try it out. Oh man, it's so rich and creamy and fudgy, and putting the chocolate chips inside the batter, you like get bursts of pieces of chocolate in it. That is really good, guys. Let me take. I'll take another bite after I get off camera. But anyway, guys, definitely try this sweet potato brownie. And you can taste a little bit of the sweet potato in there, but it just gives it that rich, thick brownie flavor. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me hurry up and wrap this up if I can eat it. But anyway, if you like the video like this, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this one, subscribe to the channel, be a part of the community, guys. And I will see you on the next video. Goodbye. Oh man, it's so good. I'm gonna go get me some ice cream.